Hi, welcome back. Adventures with Dr. Joe. I thought I'd do a 1-year review of this rugged tub sink that I bought, and it's easy to put together. The sink itself is made in Canada. It's very nice. The faucet that comes with it, unfortunately, is Chinese. The legs are easy to install, and it comes with all the plumbing work to connect it to a drain. I've got this all plumbed up and set up. I've got it anchored into the wall, which makes it incredibly secure. One nice thing about this is that the four legs have leveling feet, so you can perfectly level this, which is great. And it comes with all the plumbing hardware to hook it up to the drain. Let's take a look at that. Beneath the sink is the plumbing to connect it to the drain. And you can see here we've got the drain, the vent, the trap, all set up. And it also comes with two water lines, the stainless steel wrapped ones, which are really good. They're never going to burst. And we've got it connected to our instant-on hot water heater, which I did a video about previously. The sink comes with a drain plug and a drying rack, which is very nice. You can take it out and leave it in, whatever you want to do. It's got a nice little indentation here for some soap. The drying rack can be put over on this side as well. I just have it over here. I just think for my purpose it works great there. And anyway, I give this a definite thumbs up. The rugged made sink, the rugged tub, has been a real winner. You can get these at Costco, Lowe's, get them online. I think I bought mine at Lowe's and online and delivered it, and it's really good. I think it's going to last forever. It's one of those things that will. So these sinks are made of polyethylene, which is similar to recycled milk jugs. They're going to last forever. You can see I put a nice aluminum metal backsplash here, and it really has turned out well for me. So consider subscribing. This rugged tub sink is a winner. I'd recommend it highly. If you found this helpful, please click thumbs up. It helps the channel. Thank you very much.